The tool is ready. Now I'll get a battery to supply the power. I'm back with a small battery. With specifications, I can provide a suitable power source for my homemade handheld welding device. Attach the two crocodile clips of the tool to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, as I'm doing, and then we'll be ready to start testing. When the two terminals touched, I noticed the battery core tip was still damp, so we need to dry it with a lighter before moving on. From my 30 years of experience, the principle of a homemade handheld welding device is simple yet fascinating. When the two terminals touch and you see a spark, it proves the device works. The first time I tried it, I was genuinely thrilled. A small, homemade device producing sparks, something many people think only exists in labs. From a simple power source, wires, to a battery core as a soldering tip, everything comes together to create a practical and exciting experience. I remember taking it camping with friends. At night, we needed to repair a small charcoal stove support. Without professional equipment, I used this device with a small battery, and within minutes the metal pieces were reconnected securely. Making it work by hand brought the experience alive. In principle, it's straightforward. A power source, battery, wires, and a soldering tip. When connected properly, current flows through the tip, generating heat and sparks. The battery core conducts electricity and generates heat. The wire carries current, and the battery provides energy. When combined correctly, sparks appear instantly. Theory matches practice. I've tried various tips, battery cores, copper, even recycled metal. Result, complete circuit, dried tip, sparks immediately. You don't need deep electronics knowledge to see results. Sparks show the connection between theory, experience,